Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you through making requests and accessing data. Before we begin, ensure you've completed the steps from the previous videos. First, click the three dots and navigate to the semantic model. Next, go to File and then Settings. Now, select Parameters. To access the latest 13 monthly prices, fill in the data request parameter. To access historical data, use the historical data request parameter. Both parameters include forecasts when available. Here are some important points. Enter assessment codes as a comma-separated list. Each parameter can hold up to 40 assessment codes, and historical data availability depends on your subscription plan. You also must fill in both parameters. If you don't need historical data, enter a hyphen in historical data request. This is especially important if your plan doesn't cover historical data, and leaving parameters empty or requesting data you're not entitled to will cause an error. Finally, once the parameters are correctly filled, click Apply. Then, go back to the semantic model and refresh the data. Go to the dashboard and refresh the visual if necessary. The requested data are now ready to be viewed. In the Data or Historical Data pages, you can filter the results. Keep in mind that every time a new request is made, the results from previous queries vanish. Because of that, we recommend you download the requested data to store it and avoid wasting requests. To do this, simply click the three dots on top of the graph and click Export Data. Select Underlying Data. Finally, click the Export button. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.